In the world of heavy industry, size is never a limitation. It's a challenge. Linked potential laser LS-CMU T-40 kW, perhaps the largest H-beam customization machine in the world. Define the new frontier of industrial cutting with a heavy load, equipped with intelligent contour scanning, real-time detection of workpiece deformation, automatic correction of 7 tracks, even a 22-meter-long H-bar. Each incision is still accurate to 0.2 millimeters. Whether it is a welded hole, a threaded hole, or a complex special-shaped hole, done in one machine. What I'm molding. Support customization of breaking angle and root effect. Make every cut perfect for welding. Seamless docking Tekla model automatic generation. Building name welding location part number. No manual marking required. Let data drive production. From lasers to control systems, all modules are optional on demand. Synchronous dual drive for volt system. Achieve high speed and high stability operation. Heavily duty bed treated with triple processing. 10 years without deformation and no deviation. We customize the whole line solution for you. Whether it is Chengbu bridges or construction heavy industry, Laser makes custom manufacturing the norm. Custom Laser. There are advantages to choosing LS-CMU.